Did someone say soft shell deep fried crab? Right over here. Well, today I am doing some deep fried crab. So let's walk you through this journey. Come along, stick and stay in. So I am cleaning up my crab. First thing first, remove there. Throw that away. Throw that away. Nice and clean. Voila! Our crab has been cleaned up and ready to deep fry. So here we go. Making my butter. I'm using some flour there. Some cornmeal. In with some cornstarch. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And you don't know, I have to use some all-purpose. You know, that's why I name all-purpose, you know. You use it on anything. So in with some all-purpose to spice up the thing. I need it to get a little spicier. So guess what? I'm using some cayenne pepper. Putting a little spice there. Yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just mix that out. Mix it in properly. Mix it well. So we are going to dip our crab into our dry butter and deep fry with some salt. And we're going to mix. So for the wet butter, I'm using 1 egg. Just going to beat that up a little. And then I'm going to use a little of the dry butter. Transfer some of the dry butter. And that will form our wet butter. So we are transferring some of our dry butter to form the wet butter, so that our crab can come out nice and lovely, right? So that's about it, and we're gonna mix this well. In with our crab. So our oil is well hot and this is our crab ready to go in. So here we go. Guys, remember to like and comment and subscribe. So this is our deep fry crab, and I garnish it with some parsley, and I also use some orange, and I have some nice and swavy dippings over here as well for my crab. So go ahead and like and share the video, guys.